Welcome back to Product Critique, where we break down the most useful tools and gear so you can make the best choice. In today's episode, we're reviewing what might just be the best gas can portable safety spout for 5-gallon containers, the Yamataka gas can spout replacement kit. Let's dive in. First off, if you've ever struggled with rigid, leaky, or poorly fitted nozzles on your gas cans, this kit is a serious upgrade. The Yamataka gas can spout replacement kit is designed for most 1, 2, 5, and even 10-gallon gas cans, and it comes fully loaded, literally ready to go out of the box with the seal already installed. The material used here is high-density polyethylene, HDPE, in a vibrant yellow color. It's flexible, durable, and measures 8.1 inches in length, giving you just the right amount of control when pouring gas, whether you're refueling a lawnmower, ATV, generator, or anything else. The bendable nature means no more tipping the whole can at an awkward angle, and more importantly, less spillage. But what really sets this kit apart is its compatibility. Yamataka made sure this spout works with gas can mouths ranging from 1.7 to 1.82 inches. If you're unsure whether it fits, they've even included an easy guide to measure your can's opening, a helpful touch that avoids any guesswork. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest pain points when using gas cans: leaks and overflow. The spout cap in this kit comes threaded and includes a rubber sealing gasket that's already installed. Once you screw the cap on after use, the system is sealed tight, meaning even if the can gets knocked over or stored lying down, no leaks. That's a huge safety and cleanliness win. Another thoughtful inclusion? 2 different types of gas can vent caps. One type is for cans that don't already have a rear vent. For those, Yamataka includes a drill bit and vent cap so you can easily retrofit your gas can. The second type is for cans that already have a vent. This serves as a perfect replacement for old or worn-out caps. Both come with sealing gaskets pre-installed, reducing the number of steps you need to take and again cutting down on installation time. Inside the box, you're getting a full set of 5 spout kits. Each includes a spout tube, a rubber gasket, a threaded nozzle cap, and a screw collar cap. What's cool is that they include both coarse thread and fine thread collar caps, giving you even more flexibility no matter what brand or type of can you're working with. Setup is fast. The included installation guide walks you through every step, and if you need extra help, the company encourages you to reach out. They emphasize customer service and back that up with responsive support if needed. To recap the essentials, it fits most common gas cans, it's made of high-quality flexible plastic, it includes sealing gaskets and multiple thread types, and it even comes with venting options and the necessary tools. All that makes this kit ideal not just for replacements, but for improving safety, ease of use, and extending the life of your gas cans. So, if you're tired of messy pours, cracked spouts, and mismatched fittings, the Yamataka gas can spout replacement kit might be exactly what you need in your garage. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more honest breakdowns like this, and hit that bell so you never miss a tool review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.